Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Patel, founder of Physicians Premier Weight and Wellness Center in Northern Virginia. Losing weight can seem very tough. Sometimes you feel like you're doing all the right things but still not getting any results. You may, however, be hindering your progress by following false and outdated advice. Here are 5 common mistakes I find people make when trying to lose weight. 1. Choosing low-fat foods. If some of you remember back in the 80s and 90s, many people were eating rice cakes or 100-calorie low-fat snacks to lose weight. Many were given the advice to eat low-fat food to lose weight. However, this advice backfired. Many of these foods were full of sugars and processed carbs to make them taste better. In fact, what ended up happening was even more weight gain over time. Fats are not really the enemy because good fats found in nuts, seeds, avocado, olives, and olive oils, and fatty fish are good for us. Number 2, not eating enough calories. At my weight loss clinic, I find that many patients that first come in to see me are eating too few calories, thinking that they will lose weight. You can get so caught up doing calorie counting that you end up gaining weight and depriving your body of vital nutrients. If you drastically decrease your calories, your body just decreases your metabolic rate, so you end up burning for your calories, making it more difficult to lose weight. And if you don't provide your body with enough calories, it's natural to think that your body will use stored fat for energy. Unfortunately, your body actually starts to break down your muscle, and this loss of muscle makes your metabolism slow down even more. Number 3, eating too fast. Did you know that it takes your brain about 20 minutes to catch up with your stomach to realize that it's full? The key is to slow down the pace of your eating, so you end up eating less portions. Here are a few tips to slow down your eating pace. Take the time to use your senses when you sit at the dinner table, meaning take the time to smell the food, appreciate the presentation even, and truly savor it. Use a smaller spoon when eating. In fact, I have recommended that people use a baby spoon to eat, which will force you to take smaller bites. Put a fork or a spoon down between each bite. And last but not least, eat at the table without the television, computer, or phone around to distract you from doing mindful eating. 4. Relying on crash diets. There are so many diets out there that it can be confusing which is the best plan for you. I'm not a fan of the word diet in general because a diet is something that you start that you eventually will have to get off of. Many of these diets are fads, relying on super low calories without proper nutrients and protein, doing more harm than good. The key is finding an eating plan that your body wants, one that you enjoy and don't have to struggle with, and obviously one that gives you the results that you want. Your eating plan has to be sustainable so that you can follow it consistently. 5. Drinking too many calories. You can often overlook calories that are found in nearly everything you drink. But at the end of the day, the calories in many alcoholic drinks and fancy coffees can add up to over 500 calories per day. Even many drinks that sound healthy are loaded with calories. Think of smoothies and protein shakes that have a lot of sugar in them. Many have added sugars so they taste better. My advice is not to avoid drinks, but start watching what is in the drinks, specifically the sugar content. We know water is the best thing to drink. Why not add lemon, cucumber, or even some strawberries and mint to flavor it up? When at the coffee shop, forgo the flavored syrups or whipped cream. Ask for a drink with low fat or fat-free milk, a milk alternative such as soy or almond, or just get back to the basics with black coffee. Weight loss can be tricky business. You can be influenced by a lot of misguided and outdated advice. Let us help you sort out facts from myths based upon proven science. If you're ready to get started on your weight loss journey, my team and I are ready to guide you. Your success is our goal, and we break it down for you one step at a time. Visit our website at healthymeweightloss.com for more information and to schedule a consultation.